In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Watermark in InVideo. By the end, you'll know the simplest way to add a clean, consistent watermark to your video using InVideo's built-in tools, so your brand is visible from start to finish without distracting from your content. First, log into your InVideo account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, open the project you want to watermark. This can be a video you've already been editing or a new project you've just started. Give the editor a moment to load everything on the canvas and the timeline. The easiest way to add a watermark in InVideo is to use the logo overlay that's there by default. Look for a placeholder labeled Logo, or a small logo element on the canvas or in the Layers panel. Click that logo overlay to select it. You'll see options appear that let you replace the placeholder with your own branding. Now choose the image you want to use as your logo. A high-quality PNG with a transparent background is ideal because it stays crisp and blends nicely over your footage. After you upload or select the image, it will appear in the same spot as the placeholder. Adjust its size so it's clear but not overwhelming. A subtle presence in a corner usually works best. You can move it to a corner that doesn't cover important visuals or text. If your video has bright or busy areas, consider a logo version with good contrast so it stays legible. Next, make sure the watermark lasts for the entire video. On the timeline, find the logo layer you just updated. Hover over the beginning or end of that layer until you see the resize handles, then click and drag the edge so it stretches across the full length of your video. If your project has multiple scenes or clips, drag it all the way to the end so it spans everything. If it helps, zoom in on the timeline for finer control and align the logo layer so it snaps to the very end of the final clip. Take a quick pass through the timeline to confirm the logo stays visible throughout and doesn't cover key on-screen elements. If needed, nudge the position or scale just a bit for consistency. That's it. You've added a watermark using InVideo's default logo overlay, selected your brand image, and stretched it across the entire duration, ensuring your branding remains present from the first frame to the last.